Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preventing any automatic sync or writes. Sign out of your Google account and disable sync so settings won't repopulate. Then close Chrome and use Task Manager to end all Chrome. EXE processes, this frees files that are locked. Once done, make a quick backup of your bookmarks file and the entire user data profile folder to a safe location. Doing these steps first avoids data loss and ensures the lock files can be removed without Chrome immediately recreating them. You now find the profiles folder where lock files live. On Windows, this is in appdata/local/google/chrome/user data. On Mac OS in ~library/application support/google/chrome. Once there, locate and delete files named singleton lock, or any. Lock files inside the profile directory because they prevent startup. If Chrome still refuses to start, rename the profile folder, for example append old, so Chrome creates a fresh profile. Make sure to keep your backup. This manual deletion forces Chrome to recreate clean state and removes stale file locks. You finish by starting Chrome normally. If it opens, create a new profile and then import bookmarks or selectively copy extension and password files from your backup. This preserves data without reintroducing the lock. If Chrome still reports a lock, make sure file permissions allow your user account to read and write the profile folder and try again in safe mode or with administrative rights. As a troubleshooting tip, if a stubborn process keeps the lock, reboot into safe mode or use Process Explorer to trace and kill the holding process before repeating the deletion.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.